The hidden signs of emotional burnout and how to recover. Emotional burnout doesn't happen overnight. It develops slowly through ongoing stress, emotional pressure, and never giving yourself enough time to recover. In this episode, you'll learn the hidden signs of emotional burnout and discover 9 practical steps to restore your energy, motivation, and emotional well-being. 1. Why emotional burnout often goes unnoticed. Many people think burnout only happens because they work too many hours. That is only one cause. Emotional burnout can also happen when you spend months or years carrying emotional pressure without enough recovery. You may be supporting everyone else, solving other people's problems, constantly worrying about your future, looking after children or family members, trying to meet impossible expectations, or simply saying yes when you really want to say no. Burnout does not usually arrive all at once. It builds quietly. At first, you feel a little more tired than usual. Then you lose motivation. You become emotionally drained. Small tasks begin to feel difficult. You stop enjoying things that once made you happy. If left unchecked, emotional burnout can increase anxiety, affect your sleep, weaken your concentration, damage your relationships, and leave you feeling disconnected from yourself. The good news is that burnout is not a permanent condition. With the right changes, your mind and body can recover. 2. Learn to recognize the warning signs. Burnout is more than feeling tired. Ask yourself, do I wake up feeling exhausted even after sleeping? Have I become impatient with people I care about? Do small problems now feel overwhelming? Have I lost interest in hobbies I once enjoyed? Do I constantly feel like I have nothing left to give? If you answered yes to several of these questions, your mind may be asking for rest, not more pressure. Recognizing burnout early gives you the best chance to recover. 3. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is one of the most powerful forms of recovery. Aim to go to bed at the same time each night. Reduce screen time before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet if possible. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Even improving your sleep by 30 minutes each night can make a noticeable difference over time. 4. Give yourself permission to rest. Many people feel guilty when they are not being productive. But rest is not laziness. It is part of being productive. Your body cannot keep giving energy if it never has time to recharge. Schedule short breaks throughout your day. Take a walk. Sit quietly. Listen to calming music. Or simply spend a few minutes doing nothing at all. Recovery is an investment, not a waste of time. 5. Set healthier boundaries. Burnout often happens because we give too much for too long. Ask yourself, what can I say no to this week? Where am I taking on responsibilities that belong to someone else? Every healthy boundary protects your energy. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. 6. Reduce unnecessary commitments. Not every invitation needs a yes. Not every task needs to be completed today. Look at your weekly schedule. Choose one commitment that can be postponed, delegated, or removed completely. Creating space in your life gives your mind room to recover. 7. Make time for activities that restore your energy. Recovery is not only about doing less. It is also about doing more of what helps you feel alive. Spend time in nature. Exercise. Read, pray or meditate. Listen to music. Create something. Spend time with people who leave you feeling supported instead of exhausted. Even 30 minutes can make a difference. 8. Talk to someone you trust. Burnout often becomes worse when you carry it alone. Speak to a trusted friend, a family member, a mentor, or a mental health professional. Talking does not make you weak. It helps reduce the emotional weight you have been carrying. Sometimes another person can help you see solutions that you could not see yourself. 9. Accept that recovery takes time. You probably did not become emotionally burnt out in one day. You are unlikely to recover in one day either. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small improvements. Notice when your energy begins to return. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Healing is not about rushing. It is about consistently giving yourself what you need. 10. A final message. Emotional burnout is not a sign that you are weak. It is often a sign that you have been strong for too long without enough rest. Your well-being deserves the same attention that you give to everyone else. The next time your body asks for rest, listen to it. The next time your mind asks for a break, take one. Protecting your energy is not selfish. It is one of the healthiest decisions you can make for yourself and for the people who depend on you.